If you're looking for a dash cam that offers 4K recording, rear camera support, voice controls, and smartphone connectivity without making installation complicated, then the Baseus VD1 Pro 4K dash cam might be worth considering. In this review, we'll take a complete look at everything included in the package, the installation process, key controls, features, settings, and app connectivity to see what this dash cam has to offer. So let's get started. Starting with what's included inside the box, Baseus provides everything needed to get up and running. You get the dash cam itself, an anti-static film, a 3M adhesive pad, a rear camera, a car charger, a user manual, a 3.6 meter power cable, an SD card, and even a small cartoon sticker. It's a complete package that allows you to install the system without needing additional accessories. Installing the Baseus VD1 Pro is quite straightforward. The first step is choosing the installation location. Baseus recommends mounting the dash cam behind the rearview mirror and within the windshield wipers sweep area. The adjustable swivel mount allows you to fine-tune the camera angle for the best road coverage. Next, clean the installation area thoroughly to remove dust and debris from the windshield surface. After cleaning, apply the included anti-static film. Then, peel off the protective layer from the 3M adhesive pad and firmly attach the dash cam to the windshield. Once installed, avoid moving or hitting the camera to ensure the adhesive bonds properly. Now connect the power cable. Use the included 3.6 meter cable to connect the dash cam to the car charger and plug it into your vehicle's 12-volt power socket. To keep everything looking clean, route the cable along the vehicle's trim and secure it using the included trim tool. This helps prevent the wiring from obstructing the driver's view. Next, insert the SD card into the side card slot of the dash cam. Once everything is connected, start the vehicle and verify that the dash cam powers on automatically. During the initial setup, select your preferred language and adjust the time settings. Before recording, enter the settings menu and format the SD card. After that, return to the main screen and the dash cam is ready to begin recording. For power management, the dash cam automatically turns on whenever it receives power from the vehicle. To power it off manually, simply press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds, or disconnect the power source. The power button also controls the display. A quick press turns the screen on or off without affecting recording. Looking at the button layout, you'll find dedicated buttons for menu navigation, camera switching, audio control, and confirmation functions. To access settings, press the menu or front-rear camera switch button. Use the next or audio recording button to navigate through menu options, and press OK to enter a selected setting. Photo capture and playback. One convenient feature is voice-controlled photo capture. Simply say the command "take photo" and the dash cam will capture a still image automatically. For playback, press the menu button to enter the file browser. Open the desired folder, navigate using the next button, and press OK to play videos or view photos directly on the device. Function demonstration. Now let's explore the main features and settings available on the Baseus VD1 Pro. Audio settings. Audio recording can be enabled or disabled instantly by pressing the next or audio recording button. For playback volume, there are 4 levels available: high, medium, low, and off. The default setting is medium. The dash cam also supports voice control. Available commands include take photo, open screen, turn off display, lock the video, open recording, turn off recording, show front camera, and show rear camera. Voice control is disabled by default but can be activated within the settings menu. When it comes to video quality, the front camera supports 3 recording resolutions. The highest setting is 3840 by 2160 resolution, which records in 4K at 25 frames per second and serves as the default mode. Users can also choose 2560 by 1440 resolution or 1920 by 1080 resolution depending on storage requirements and recording preferences. The rear camera records at 1920 by 1080 resolution at 25 frames per second. Loop recording options include 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5-minute recording segments. The rear camera activates automatically whenever it is connected. You can quickly switch between front and rear camera previews by double-pressing the menu or camera switch button. There are also mirror and flip settings available, allowing users to adjust the image orientation based on their installation requirements. The display timeout can be set to 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or remain always on. English is the default language, but multiple language options are available. Speed units can be displayed in either kilometers per hour or miles per hour. Time settings can be adjusted directly through the menu system. The frequency setting offers both 50 Hz and 60 Hz options to help reduce screen flickering under different lighting conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot can also be enabled or disabled directly from the dashcam. For additional protection when your vehicle is parked, the Baseus VD1 Pro includes parking surveillance functionality. After entering the parking surveillance menu, press OK to activate collision detection. Users can choose between high, medium, or low collision sensitivity depending on their environment and personal preference. Managing recorded files is simple. Loop recording files allow you to view both front and rear camera footage. Emergency video folders store clips automatically saved after collision detection events. The photo gallery allows users to view or delete captured images from both the front and rear cameras. Start by downloading the Baseus app using the QR code provided in the manual. Inside the app, tap Search or Add Device, select Dashcam, and then choose the VD1 Pro 4K model. Next, open your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the dashcam's hotspot. Look for the VD1 Pro 4K network and enter the default password. Once connected, return to the app and complete the pairing process. After setup, you can access recorded footage, view live video, and download photos or videos directly to your smartphone. Overall, the Baseus VD1 Pro 4K dashcam offers a solid combination of 4K front recording, full HD rear coverage, voice control functionality, parking surveillance, loop recording, and convenient smartphone connectivity. If you're looking for a feature-packed dual-camera dashcam with modern connectivity and practical safety features, the Baseus VD1 Pro certainly brings a lot to the table. And that's my review of the Baseus VD1 Pro 4K dashcam review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.